Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Metamask application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Metamask is a cryptocurrency wallet that uses software to interact with the Ethereum blockchain, which provides users with access to their Ethereum wallet via a browser extension or mobile application. In order to quickly download Metamask for your iPhone, first make sure that you are connected to an internet, of course. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and tap open your app store after you are connected to one. Now tap on the search button in the lower right and in the search bar, type in Metamask and press search. You'll be able to see this application right here that says Metamask Blockchain Wallet. Simply tap on the download button right next to the app to begin with the downloading process. The download will only take a while depending upon your internet speed. Always be sure to be connected to a stable internet while downloading any kind of an application. Once the application is downloaded, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right beside or right beneath the application. Tap it on in order to launch the app open, and there you have successfully downloaded Metamask wallet application for your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.